to change music speed on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can change a music speed on the Spotify app. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to hit the like, share and subscribe option. So first thing first, open your Spotify. You may just download the application if you don't have it, and you may just log in by entering your username and password. After that, here you will be able to see this kind of interface. So in order to change the speed of a song in Spotify, you may just click on one of the music. Let's say I'm gonna play this music. So here you can see we don't really have the option of changing the Spotify speed of music. So unfortunately, Spotify doesn't have the feature of changing the music speed, but what you can do is look for a sped up version of the particular song that you want to listen, or slowed version that you want to listen of the song that you may possibly find on Spotify. Like if I want to sped up version of this song, then I may just go to the search bar and search for the title and type in sped up at last, and you should be able to find possible outcomes of the song that you're looking for. So in that way, you can change your Spotify music speed but not really change it. So therefore, I hope this information was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.